2021 Dodge Challenger 392 Scat Pan. What we got done on this beautiful automobile. Factory converters there. Factory X-pipe. All factories, only got 2,100 miles on it, guys. He's been watching our videos for a while from California, and then he moved to Tennessee and he said, I'm doing it. So what we got done for him is 2 DYNOMAX race bullets in the middle, there and there. Part number 24250s. There'll be a link in the description. That's what he used to bring them in. So he purchased them online and brought them into us. Then there's the active exhaust right there and right there, the valves. And we left everything else factory. There's the rears factory and the tips factory there and there. There's the mids we cut off right there. And just for informational purposes, it does not impact your warranty or anything because they are straight through design, as you guys can see there and there. So just to give you guys that tidbit of information, they are straight through design, but they quiet the car a lot. So don't think like you're gonna lose horsepower or back pressure or all that stuff you read online. It's all BS. They are straight through, just like the DYNOMAX race bullets are straight through. And then the rears are also straight through, as you guys can see in there and in there. So you are really not losing anything by changing them out or cutting them out or straight piping it. If anything else, you're just losing weight. So like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and do everything you guys do. And make sure you hit that notification bell. All right, they said it's okay for us to record the reaction. I don't know about him, but he's cool about it. Let's go. Go ahead. Oh, yeah. Ready? Go. Yeah. Thumbs up? What do you think? Thumbs up or down? He's scared. Yeah. Much better. Now, what did you guys do? Again? Your sound decibels? Yeah. 112. Go ahead and back it up. Yeah. 392. Much better. They never disappoint, guys. They never do. They sound so good. Let you guys hear on the inside. Dodge Challenger HEMI 392 Scat Pack. It's not an R2, it's a Scat Pack.